Now we will start with the next part of the chapter, that is international place value system. Here this chart you have to make it in your notebook. Here we will study a place value system which is used around the world. That was only Indian, that was used in India, but this system is used around the world in all the countries. Here 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million, 1 crore is equal to 10 millions, and 10 crores is equal to millions. Let us see how. Let us see the international place value chart. Again, this international you are going to make in your notebook before starting the exercise. Okay? Before starting exercise, you have to make this and this in your notebook. Now let us see the places ones, tens, hundreds. These three numbers or these three places are same in Indian and international system both, and it lies in ones period as we know. Now come to the thousands. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. There we used to have 1,000, 10,000 then lakh. So in place of lakh they have 100,000. See, 1 lakh equal to 100,000. So here thousands also have 3 digits, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Now after that we are starting with a new name, that is million. So millions, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So as you can see, we had lakh, then 10 lakh, then crore, then 10 crore. So 10 crore is 100 million, crore is 10 million, 10 lakh is million. Like this you can compare. Again, ones, tens, hundred, ones period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000 period, million, 10 million, 100 million, millions period. In Indian place value system, you have ones, tens, hundred, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore, means 3 digits, then 2, 2, 2. Here you have 3, 3, 3. Everywhere in every period you have 3, 3 digits, and you will put comma after counting the 3 digits. Now let us come to the exercise. This is exercise 5. You have to rewrite the following numerals with proper commas using international system. In the same way, we'll do this also. So here you have to write the numbers using proper commas according to international place value system. So I have used this first number 35684129. Whatever you are doing, first of all you have to write the place values according to system given. Here it is international, so we'll write in international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Now we'll put the comma after every period. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million. So this is 35,684,129. I've taken one more number, 491560,543. Again I'll write all the place values. Then ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. How you are going to read it? 491,560,543. This is how we read the number according to the periods. Now here in question number 2, numbers are given and you have to write their names in words. So number given is 25863,475. Proper commas are given. So let us put the place values first. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. This is how you have to show it in your notebook also. Okay. Now we'll name it 25,863,475, and in the same way we are going to write the name also, as you can see here. Now I have taken one more number 560,001,010. Again, first we will write the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now let us name it 560 million. Okay, and in thousands period you have only one digit, that is 1. So 1,000. And in ones period you have 1, 0, 10 and 10. So your name is 560,000,1,010. This is how you frame the name. Now third question is about write the following in figures. So first is 64,119,018. Same way as I told you in the previous exercise. First we will write all the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now here the name is 64 million. So in million place we'll write 64. 119,000. So in thousands period we'll write 119, and last is given 18. So it tens and ones. So here we will fill with 0. Let us take one more number. Let us take this F1. 10,003,036. Again, first let me write the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now let me fill the places. So the number given is 10,003,036. So 10 million, let me write here, sorry, 10 million, then 3,000. So 3,000 will come here below 1,000 place. 3 will come below 1,000 place, and 36. So 36 will come here. Now you can see so many empty places are there. So what we will do, we will fill with zeros. Let us fill hundreds place, then 10,000, then hundreds place. So this is how you have to show the number. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then million, 10 million. So 10 million, 3,036. This is how you have to frame the number, and this is how you have to solve this exercise in your notebooks. Exercise number 5. With this, we complete this chapter, and these are the revision charts which are given. So I hope you are doing your work on time. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.